nya ga my account number.
Hey.
Na so here ni dile. Na so here ni dile bo. Ihe na Ili Ji have for self. Na no we going to wait 1 million, 2 million, 3 million.
Hey.
Say mo never know now. Mo see my picture. Na see my inside area my picture. Mo make donation. Nya ga wa so simple. See that mo idea be here. Ihe the money dey trump. Na wa dey like.
Oh, nagi nye ego, nagi tinye ego na account ahụ sendere gị.
Which you gonna account ahụ send. The most send this area picture. Go where my advert na social media na wetele ego. We say that mo idea be
that thing.
Announcement.
Okay. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. How are you guys doing? Please share this video. I will not be here long. It's just gonna be a quick one. Please share the video because okay, very quick one. A very quick one. Please share the program. Okay, very quick one. Please. Okay, very quick one. Please. Okay, very quick one. Please share the program. It's gonna be a very quick one. Share the program because share all the very important that you share the program. Sorry, so you're gonna hold some particles little by little. Please share the program. Very important. All the very important. Get tag JPAC, tag Igwe, tag Yaram JPAC, got tag Yaram Igwe. Tagaram Zion, Tagaram Momo Zion. Aye, Mbawaye Kawo, Zion, we move. Zion, we move. Onye Obodo, Bodoles, Gata Garamo, Botagmo, Botago Bodoles. Gata Garama Bagari business, yeah. Tag him. Hey, Onye Obodo, Awanganaga woo your hunchback. Agama we image channel like this, you no go sleep. Agama wu akum tiwaro boni bentoge. Agama wu the pain that will always suffocate you. Agama wu pin ibanyere ginolu. Agama wu nketa. Daka iga wu nketa anya wara okpukpu n'olu ga ataya. Guys, did you remember mgbe Chinedu Nwadike nwụrụ? How people were posting account number on social media, you know, soliciting for fund. Onye Obodo, so one of those people who now want people to scam them. I have evidence. That's why I said I will not keep quiet on this guy. Many people will come out. And we'll another one that I will play. Everything is here. Because when you call me, I will always record you because I need my evidence. To be breaking the yoke, people are here basarage. And when one guy, Onye Obodo gana the man back, collect ego, okweshirinye the guy. That one is for another day. You want to go? So, but before then, I'm automatically to that one, but I will go straight to the. Onye Obodo na-edina nwoke ibe ya, unu chena all just egwuregwu. No, unu ga no voice, unu ga no things. Biko nu nde Zion, ma unu ga na-emere mu share, just na share no me ihe. Na share no happy go no bad comments. So one the bad comments on the comment section. That is why you guys are here. Warriors is to meant to fight. I am not here to pass the message. Una no comment section to her. Make them uncomfortable. There is no need of blocking them. That's why you're a warrior. That is why a warrior. Help okay, na their profile picture, tag your picture, comment so I don't need to be reading and blocking them. That is not my duty. My duty here is being a newscaster, the truth caster, the message broadcaster, the information giver, the truth giver, the high BP deliver, the stroke giver, the disabled giver. You want to go? So no need to get to her. In comment section, fight. Why are you a warrior? If you don't know that you're a warrior, any Zion they follow me, warrior. Warrior them. Give them sleepless nights. In your happy Vote 1 million types of spirits. Vote 1 billion types of spirit on that comment section. Give it to them. That is my job. Your job is to be on, and your job again is to not to say a neighbor. Even in a group, a Zion group, to say there. WhatsApp group, copy it to say. Another weapon. I am the only weapon of destruction here. So the only to fight this battle. And the only to spread the thing. Now we coronavirus. I remember coronavirus. When you lot to tag I human limits. I question a contagious virus. Or I question HIV. You know why HIV is very dangerous? On a tangle with DNA, you want tangle RNA. Ya tangle lawyer like this, a boyana, or him, ya switch ya tangle, na boyago, or him, a very bad Oreo Brina Jocha. Ihanya wuna, Oreo Brina Jocha, na this war. Rebruta, Misa. I want you to be Israelites. They are few, but they are had the very disastrous. Oh, him choke. Achom ke wuru okun okun. You don't look anybody face. You want to go? Only you know on a comment section. Wo ha seed. Woro akage. Egbelaka me ha ka hu ha ye mu ojo. Akodo ke sha wo mad ha seed. Wo ha seed. In fact, ashi kama unyi edigi ga kobu gige boyofu. To boha that he passed with this war. All we are doing, I don't know they may have the little crowd, the thing they have. Anime so crowd, I have told you. The little I have, I get jiha woha miza. Ne haya oku to oku. We don't want when you any time when we basarani. When basarani. You want to go? So, amusu gain hair 1 million if you split vocal hair, and when any other thing I pass it. You cannot know no man war hair. So that is it. You tell her, I now bear who here be my friends. You know we huaga. I now bear who be my friends. I want to know to know but oh my duty to reply. Duty no wunyen your coin your more John aho. You can't deliver na Zion. God warrior na ka warrior ni kukufan. And case closed. Case closed. No, not too worry about it. So keep on sharing. Now share the message. Now share the message. Now what the more joy. Ne the BP. And when he was like bring out all your power. Ya work in a position or we're open with aka. You know we huanga. You want to go? So no need. Don't look who no look you. Look where. Now fear talk. You will talk. Give me. For what? I need question when limits. And I name when limit here. You will tell give me. Open. Fire to fire. More joy. Yeah, 1 million more joy. 20. Give me. Fire. Yeah, kill him, church. Fire. After him came in a conversation, then fire. Get together and share bottle, fire. Now, fire. Oh, he gonna name here. He can't he just wound them one as Zion. When he just a buha here. No limits. If the guy whatever issue, what issue. He would an assault to get you. Get what an east to get you. Get what I don't know to get you. He put issue what no, anaha chogumma. Iwuroni we question, anaha chogumma. Anaha shimmer and get out, Mutamasha get out. Hell no. Onye Obodo a bake an assignment dog. A bake an assignment dog. Yotago? And we have so share the program. And we have battery and him assignment dog. Shall get away. Master get out. No. Get measure more. I know them say that talk, and I do them say they bechacha acho when they was gina mmadụ ko ma acho madu acho hu ma gipe je ma gelo mana anya alomana ma gelo acho hu room for peace anya alomana maka echi ke nke ga agba onya achọrọ m anya aloma ka iji gbama m ya maka m ji mgbama gị ya achọ ene me room for mmeji ogum enwe room for mmeji ogum wu mmecha gahụ ala oge. That is it. So he will tell you spirit is out to nye they will tell not to nye west nye not to nye. Oh, that is the mission. Now, did you guys remember Chinedunwa Dike? Actually, before muka akụkọ una distribute all video. Actually, mkunu distribute all video na. Actually, mkunu distribute. Oh no, actually peace again with peace. If you don't want peace, you will not get peace. It's your peace, you will get peace. That is how it is. Oh no, actually again wudo. Bukana ha to progono, but you to try again with another person got targeting. Until maybe he head then again down until my happy matter get another person. And when you get wudo. I'm just in that saga. Look on you know Japan war because I'm coming one after another. Ebukano they reply to anybody. Oh, people like me. You want to go? Because I home see, Anama like Mebu. Anama like Mebu. Especially decide on this guy with your problem. No problem. If begin I will have poor. I assume anybody cool about Ebuko Bio. Somebody will say about him because he's doing well. Oh, when you name me able to Ebiaburia as an assignment. My brother, you want something nature irritate. And I got me irritate that thing. Of course, I get about Ebuka. Bloggers now will have gafere, who another thing, gafere. But to Kegi, you bent on Ebuto, Bishini get bring it, and that is why I'm on your case. You want to go? So bloggers now we have gashike, and that is why I get poor because he's not a human being. Oh, you gashike, I want another topic, you give gashike, I want another topic. Of course, he get feed. But why are you deliberately? Constantly making up lies, fabricating stories just to destroy this young man. That is my problem where you are. And one problem you hear once after all, bloggers say what do they do? Is it not to feed from popular people? There's nothing wrong with that. But Tukegi, you deliberately, constantly try to destroy this young man. For what? And the Kenaboma Emegane Poto, while he would demand Onyoshin. He would demand Onyoshin. The Onyosha Honanya. Ebe Jirichine Dunwa Dike Scam, who else won't you? Ndezaya no share Mapalano here. True tellers, share man here. Ndejokuna, the Mashaman, most stories are Onye Obodo Again with their hot, so Garigitu, he no go feel am. You want to go? Obodo less. He get less. Guys, maybe 10 minutes. Because I may share him. I'm going to go to them. Because I may share him. I'm going to them. Don't wait 10 minutes because. You want to go? Neti naka na share. I will not be long here. Just gonna be a few. But I can condemn matter back up before I play this voice record. Uno me much in do what Dick Uno tag ya J Park, tag ya Mokeza, Igwe. Those are the two people that went. Where is Gego? Uno man Onye Obodo when they position their number, share what my name. Yeah, they have share their number on the comment section. So, in my opinion, they will reach out to those people, provide their account number. Kahakunya Wugo, Nima account. Share this video. I do 300. May play. Na share no. Na ilelamu. I do 300. I no go tell them. Maybe next time. Anya na olum. No olum de kotere. Ona fomo but na share no. Mo. Emechama koro gi ko Onye Obodo jiga replace a boy arara. Oh, Onye Obodo. Onye Obodo, why are you into why are you into why? Why? Come let you know little hint about that little boy own. Che? Come play it here. Come on, bega my here. Onye Obodo, you wear this dirty scanner in your cupboard. Yana chwe bukobi. No wonder, huh? No wonder. Why nigga my home for years? You can read you long wegi, bano weguru. What I go? Kaiga na nebe opunada no. Onye Obodo, where is more? Okay, go ahead. Go ahead now.
So, why say
about who this one? Can get play later. Okay, okay, go ahead. Go ahead now.
So, why say
who this one? No. Anyway, okay. Hello?
Sorry, I'm not too. I can hear you now.
Yeah, they recognize all this boy. That boy, he got gonna pay and walk around the man. You recognize it again?
What could you answer? I'm not put a go man put a. Okay, so bad. Okay, now to talk that you would
I don't demand when I never see madness. Abramona, but when this thing starts, Unu ge mechashi, Onye Obodo no they talk to you, they talk to them. Onye Obodo no they talk to you, they talk to them because I ga menyu no okun. I ga menyu no okun. Unu ge mechakwete no name. Unu ge even when Onye Obodo ge mecha create a fake account to be here na agba war. E what I go? Family ge my cousins ge, my even Onye Obodo ge create a fake account no here na agba war. E what I go? So it's normal. Onye Obodo ichetere this boy. In a prodema na alo yaga collect the money. Babu he basara the guy. Ichetere amu iga gana collect ego. Chere achom ke what only the boy. I will not go because the voice note is up to 1 hour. That is the another day for another one coming.
2010. I don't want to I wanted to keep calm because he keep going calm. Say catching okay me amana. The young man.
Onye Obodo is holding us where we never see anything. And when hold the proper, you know that thing I'll be able to get the woman and Attire. I will come and analyze it. Uno mana umuna akampura muna achene yana umwa wuna what's problem. In other bloggers get just suppose anama hapoda anama chonti you peme. Ne you know munu kasho be with rubbish. Gent
2017 close to 2018. That period, it was very tough and hard for me to eat bread now.
Don't worry about Gianni. Ya jidanye there. And they become sorry I make it there. No wahala.
And that period, my dad arrived around. So we're buying a roll that I named. So I met one man. The man promised because that time I never know things the way I know now. So I must tell you the truth. The man then meet him at the site, promise many things that if not knowing that the man will go more.
Okay.
You understand?
Okay.
So now was like if I accept and the situation and the condition we are, then I need help in any mix. So after everything, I accept with the man. So after he came it as a thing, the money, the promises, so the other things the man promised, he did not do it.
Excuse me. Can you marry with the guy? Give me accept to go to dinner. Only one of the guy.
The man who affair,
so bad.
affair for Mike or Hazuru.
Oh,
Mike or Hazuru. Actually, the man boy Anambra.
Which part of Anambra?
I'm not the party because you ain't seen a man the party. At the initial, also no boy but as the time goes on, I took that.
The video is long. Onye Obodo. It's only kind collect ego. That one is another story. I am coming back to that. Just can't play reggae because you know the boy voice, right? Okay, mataki chete onye gị na azoro one guy ozo. Okay, mata what I'm saying. I don't just make up story. What I go now? Let's continue with the one Iri Ji Dike. How much you scammed under Chinedu Dike's case? What I go under Chinedu Dike's case? Ni scam. Ihanda ne deri ndo tuga ne deri. What is in Omenala? Akubere blue movie. Their daddy G or a million it was here Bukobi. Yana was in my baby virgin. We don't know who is my baby virgin. That is why I'm not even replying you. We do not know who is my baby. Nani movie I wear against small. And I mention it that name. At the mention of Bukobi, Gano baby virgin. Whatala, Udumi if you have your daddy G or Harana cha or only with the gods. He mentioned one baby virgin or Haga when you know Obodo. I get you no Obodo bo. You want to go? At the mention of Ebukobi, Ghana no my baby virgin. Matayase Zibu or we Zamu. Yashila na ya nwoke na ya toziri ihe eji nwoke me. Ya na-ekwu okwu yashi yapo Ebukobi. Matthias, he say he show for you. He will not come ya water na one. If you are a man, if you are not limp of a man, Ishila mugi kaneke, Ishila ara mental mental distance kanemegi. Or Ebukobi at the power of Accusations. Yana nusi uma baby virgin. Oh we aga dushigono. You Ebukobi you will find another name. So all this miscreant, I'm among the pen on Nagabiga through. Here mere on a papa daddy G.O. or Tochabe Yanya today. Or Canadiaka movie. You want to go? So here I won't do Omenala and do two Matthias, all of them. Hagadarano, Mando, Tumbaka, Hefi, that Onye Obodo Naza. Onye Obodo is not, Onye Obodo is just looking for a way to buy. Onya is not a steady being. Somebody na naraka Roshi, ya naraka Christianity. Is that the person you should trust? There is no trust in this guy, and there will be never trust. Let go she scam or this actually just scam or this young man. O man onya abuse or uzo. Ema ane kwana orunu tape. Believe it or you don't believe. The truth can gane mevunu here. The truth at the mention of Ebukobi one baby virgin anada. Agara. Try it and feel am. You want to go? Let's go. Get nonte. Onye Oshi. Onye Obodo. Tag ya J Park. Tag ya Egbu Igbe. Ha bia lara. J Park ị na-akpọ onye a na-akpọ gị nwanne ya before, right? Onye Obodo na-akpọ gị nwanne ya before. Right? Ema na onye a wee jigbu ikiri. Oje. Meko onye chetara mu Chinedu nwa dike. Listen.
The committee of friends are on your melo contribution on your man and mention it.
Onye Shigi.
Onye Obodo.
Okay.
Where's my J Park? My didn't na contribute to Chinedu nwa dike go na have fake. Yes.
They want to go she went your number.
Oh well, only post or something. Where I say that Chinedu nwa dike need help, you understand? So wait your number there.
Okay.
Where I say if there is anything, if this app to collect money for this guy,
okay,
is not fake or fraud,
okay,
that I'm interested.
Okay.
Wait here my number.
Okay.
How they can back off for my number where all may have help them.
Okay.
Well, where's him 90?
Onye Obodo to ashe. Maybe put the account number send the guy. Eto ashe maybe put ya the phone of the guy, the account number you sent to the guy. Maybe bunyegia. Even the guy she na the lady. Arise na plan you make na ga pia. Gwagiwa iji chori ibu ya. Na giga mana ewu dogu. Dino che dogu dika. Iga na ebe okuru ya. na no opportunity azika egejiti egi mmanwu. The account is send the ego. Everything is well detailed with your number. You want Onye bring it to come on the show. You won't need your bum to bring it out. You won't yara. Are you mad? When he make an issue. Ya puta bia debunk ko ya ma way ya here. You want to go? Ma way ya here. I want to know evidence ma pa. Onye Obodo iwo onyo shin. Ikirike wo. Onyo shike wo na egenu kam happy no interrupt na egenu.
Na dem ya na bu fake. No anya wa bu original. In short, na anya na no wo ho nya kia. Even my J-Pack, no wo ho na ba kia we malu chi de nwa dike. Da ya ni ana alu. Da ya na alu one on one. Ni amaya. Simu kede obodo no. Based in America here.
Okay.
My based of America. I know my Dubai. I know my
everywhere.
My China.
Okay.
Everywhere. All business can name.
Okay.
So why say I'm not China now? Do you understand? You know where Ben no can put on the Ben no. I say number. Yeah, get my account number.
Hey.
Now so see any deal. Now so see any deal. Even Ili Ji Yam for self. Now, no, we're going to wait 1 million, 2 million, 3 million.
Hey!
Some more. Never know now. Move to my picture. Now, see my inside the area my picture. Move make donation. Nyaga was so simple. See, I don't want to be here. You have the money they trump. Now, I like.
Oh, Nagi tinye go na account ahụ send again.
Which you gonna account how send it. The most send this area picture. Go where my advert na social media now with the Lego. When see the more idea
that thing.
Announcement.
Okay.
Now them anonymous.
Good.
Na nyego ade ma like ka.
Mmadụ nne nyere ego, yes.
Mmadụ no that nyere ego because that the blessing that the husband chukwu that the blessing dey from me.
Exactly.
Osi adama dey li growly dey lu chukwu. Maka na ntụ ande ọbụghọ dị ike aka m. Ọ chukwu nyelu m ya. Osi adị ihe dị wa ike aka m. Ọ dịsị ka mara Chineke. So da mo wa dị eli otito dị lu chukwu onye achi n'onwe m. Ọsẹ mọ mba na ka nsị okwu gosi na mbụ odogwu nke n'uche ya go na the account tinye ndị gana wee na sị mọ ndị abụọ ndị aja echukwa mmụọ na-agba aka nke ọ dara aka one other guy use by the same number bomb you understand sị mọ pi Onye Obodo.
Okay. The same pattern ha mere the other guy. Onye Obodo try and send another person. The same pattern ejiri made the other guy. Nke guy ahụ. Onye Obodo try and send the second person ga akpọbịa haji ọrụ ya. Oh. Ya wuru na itoro na Onitsha, fear anybody that's from Onitsha. Onye m na-ajụ this shipment na na-achị wega na Onitsha. How many people will survive when they clear their goods? This shipment na na-achị buga na Onitsha. I will be the last person. Number one, onye ga send the onye ga-abịa gbuo oge n'ala ala. Onitsha is the only ụla tụrụ na Onitsha. Be very careful how you deal with them. Onye tụrụ na Onitsha wo ezigbo. Ana m agwa gị, especially all these street boys. You want to go? Ana m ajụ ka ebe ha lechara ebe a ga-ebuga the shipment a ga-eship ya wụrụ na Onitsha. Onye gwara ha this idea? Ebe unu ga-agacha unu elela Anambra niile lee East niile ya wụrụ Onitsha. God forbid that I will even danger man. You know Lagos ahụ ka m manage well until unu revise here to a normal place. Then again, I shift the thing back, but let's continue to listen to this.
Chineke. So da mo wa di eli otito dị ilu chukwu mbụ ya chi n'onwe m. Ọsẹ mọ mba na ka nsị okwu gosi na mbụ odogwu nke Move to your account. One tinye ndị na-emewe Simon ya bụ the ejikwa mmụọ na-agba aka nke a. On that one other guy used by the same number bomb. You understand? Still not be Onye Obodo. Now they check out the money. Where's the guy?
Una hụrụ mgbe a na-ekwu na ndị mmadụ na-ese ndị akanta anatolete ego under Chinedu nwa dike head. Una hụrụ mgbe ahụ a na-eti ya ọ bụ Onye Obodo na ndị otu ya. Ọ bụ Onye Obodo na ndị otu ya. Onye oshi azụrụ azụ na-apụta na-akpọ Zion name. Onye oshi azụrụ azụ. You see what they do online. A na-eme ihe they present their own account. Ịhụna na this guy no abroad maybe ọ ga-eri ya mugu. Ọmana onye oji chọrọ iri mugu toro na Nigeria before kpata ego ga Nigeria, kpata ego ga abroad. Make you the lesson.
Ahụ na ya ka a na-eme this donation. Ka o nwere onye ọzọ a na-eme this donation. So nwa nkịtị ekwu okwu. So nke otu ọkọ the guy see the guy get chalo. Now they got a blue and this guy you go carry. You understand? Government don't reach in ya can you see a mother that Nigeria go to Nigeria direct. Poor Onye Obodo control for land. So I'm now can they follow more na Facebook. So when we post Caterpillar man don't say move go tell you because I had to deal with the big truck. So both one big DC truck, one go tell you. So why you know what Ili truck that Nigeria even use one? Now they are one I didn't interested because though we had there well the I did a catalyst converter.
Yes.
All the guys had in Nigeria.
Very well.
Yeah, so went for number. Also Bobble now what up a number. Bomb or one and say will not be a bar or change your phone. Or bomb. Where's the move? No well actually truck. On the near possible Caterpillar. And they got mad. Not just very mad rat. You understand? On some know where use Caterpillar here.
Hey.
Now put your ego. Who had the 4 million?
Hey.
Now where you 4 million? Every time LSM Kofu, that Jesus coach Attire there is.
Hey.
Niama, Onye Line, they are going to real estate business. The church. Na nyoji na Saba.
No wonder you are crying.
Na nyoji na Saba. Ma never one na nyoji kanko.
Hey.
Who were tango? Cause man. You see how many plus? On some plus double than church kita put your hand in go bam.
Hey.
You see I'm not here.
Oh, onye na-abịa ereziri somebody ego. Ashina eltiri account of the woman. Ihe awa agbata eke. Onye obodo wa. You know that thing ọ na-eme. Ọwa agbata eke. Ihe ji agbago n'ihe awu. What have looking for to reconcile family has to do with it. Onye obodo getting account. Ya na nwa this woman actually arrange. While the family you want to reconcile, you are not focusing on reconciling them. Yahweh nego. Onye obodo, can you leave our people alone? Can you leave this family alone? Yawuru ne the poor, desperate. Here come Barun. I got make video touch with this thing. Onye obodo is not there to help the family in terms of finances. Onye obodo no there for deal. Owu ta ko pito ya. If onye obodo ga-eju chinedu nwa dike nwuru anwụ to scam people, claim on ya na akwunye ya the money. Then why do you think that this one he's doing has nothing to do with his former plan? Guys, share this video. The people name nobody is a fool. Nobody is a fool. Onye obodo better for another thing up together. In put all of a sudden, each and every reconcile a family. Why are you so attached with the raising fund? Oh, yeah, come now, Jogi. Were you able to reconcile the family first? Your priority should be reaching out to the family. You said you have all their numbers. Your priority should not be money now. Why are you focusing about the money? And because you need Diego, you'll get you 3 million. Why can't you cover to 1 million and send that woman to hospital? Reconcile with the family first before you start soliciting for funds. Onye who is fooling who? If you need Diego, you need Onye Obodo na tanu rere abuo, right? Now you should live as an example. Start with 1 million from your account. To these people, to this family. Abuga maya no logo. Get put to all effort to put on like you say the post number the family. Reconcile your face. Why is it that your priority is about money? That woman on one can measure by her side. Or a death sentence or a life threatening, which is not. Vadigo no again on a woman. It's not a life-threatening issue. Why must raising money be a priority? Why must everybody go ya wurega tokora ukina the girl eke ya gina nwa ya eke ya that girl? Why? Can you not for your percentage on your Obodo? Ya the same thing you play right here to scam to collect money. You can make money in any way. Concerning this family is a priority. What the reason Eji made the video? According to what you guys told us. Now the reason Eji made this video, now we're going to reconcile this family together. Okay? Who is a fool? I have the main thing. Our reconciliation. Ya wurna Iri Ji. Is that woman life? Is that woman is she at risk of threatening? Akwashino Vatigo made the woman oko. Akwashino Hemeniane on a woman. No, not a woman. It's not a life-threatening issue. It's not an emergency. So why are we not focusing in terms of reconciling with the family that you guys saw the reason why Eji made the video? After that, I will play the voice record, the reason why you know Hindu made video. No, na chole buko binori unu naka. Now, why the money aspect Onye Obodo? Why? Negenunti, Koji Biari Gwa, our brother, were you?
Oh, yeah, that get the idea of Pudu or Macado. The one your face. Hello? I'm money in the Trinambo, Kaka. Won't you go to the account? One. Do you remember where I know? Someone have the idea to come more on Kaka. On Tahaka. What other guy? You find the same number bomb. God, I can't. Some not be all over. Hey. Now, they check on the money. Where's the guy? Hey. Oh, by the way, I would like a kind of maybe donation. Or well, on also. And a maybe donation. So, why kitchen? A form of. So, in court or call. The guy, we see the guy get trouble. Now, they got a blue up and this guy, you go carry, you understand? Don't go where Kenya, can you say a mother that Nigeria go to Kenya direct? Poor Onye Obodo court on for night. So, I'm not going to follow more na Facebook. So, when we post to Caterpillar, mother say, Mugo tell you because I don't deal with the big truck. So, post one big issue truck, one say, Mugo tell you. So, why do you know what point or issue truck that Nigeria even use one? And they are one I didn't interested because though we had there were already this a catalyst converter. Yes. The other guys are Nigeria. Very well. Yeah, so for number. Also, Bobble, that was a number. Bomb, or one that say for number, or change your phone. Or bomb. Where's the more? No, well, actually, truck. On see near post to Caterpillar. And they got mad. Not just very advert. You understand? Or some no way use caterpillar here.
Hey.
Now Kunyeri go. Kunyeri had the 4 million.
Hey.
Now Kunyeri 4 million. Ebulata Zenka or Gofu. Eleven Gofu that Jesus coach Attire there.
Hey.
Yama, Omenala. You are going to real estate business. The church. Na Yojina Saba. Manebe wano na Yoji Kanko.
Hey.
Who were Kango? God's man. You see how many plots? Or some plot up on church, packet out, put your hand in the bottom. You know,
Hey.
you see, I'm not dying. You must say, oh, you're the kitchen that I get the idea of putting you on my canoe. The way your face. Hello?
I'm my brother. I'm
Makada, Onum the cool thing. You know, go from back and get a Makada, Onum the cool. Where's your beer? It's an boy, just to people.
America.
It's awful. If I get to go, the people will be better.
Hey.
Behind better go. Behind better buying or university or buying or secondary school. Onye Obodo, I'm more educated than you. I'm more enlightened more than you.
More richer. More than you.
I'm more richer than you. Even Badolota, in your next 25 years to come,
Charlie.
Onye Obodo, first of all, if you need Diego, make a hype on my phone. You see, if you go there, make a don't do that again, Chema. Come on, you have to put out the picture of the person. You see, like, always senator, always bracket and simply have a PA senator. Look, I've got to watch up on that.
But you're going to slow up no.
Who should up on No, apart from what told you. Because I want to put much of a tiny more fees.
Okay, I'll let you. That's true.
If I didn't have a good more cable, they can't already show you know, like, you can't tell to
you. You watch over now.
When can you watch over that? When you said to you now,
exactly.
Iwaji no for the hand. You see, nobody. The Saba.
Exactly.
You see, the Saba. You see, the body. I think we're not Papa Road after that of social media. They put in Kobuto where they do it and for second out.
No, just show you.
You see, all the mother get and get out. Or mother drum. On their proud and I'm like the baby said, said by who?
Jesus.
You see, said by who?
Share and
you see, go to my Facebook.
Love. Share and
that type of
love.
Careful candy. Careful that candy. I'm to Pumado. That dimpa. That after the bafo gonna give me. Where's there? Obumoa. Oziada. No color to Wagodo.
Kagoda Wuriam.
You could get book up over there. Onye Obodo. Obono Kiji, the Salaka. Salaka, not danger. No one they got to look at your trap, but Salaka, not danger. Because Obude Chiquita. Always here to where I say, this type of challenge woman. Always work out one home and I'm so. Oh, why got me home and I'm so. You see, everybody in that children. Hey, no matter the truth. I didn't do it to take you. But this is the one that's only that children. One them, the other children, no problem. But I caught to life on that. That's the end of our couple of them. But I don't feel I make it. Who fell on social media? School, no school, no make it. Wherever the very actually do what you can make or whatever for Onye Obodo.
In a man.
So, for Jalo novel, put your back.
Get back in every Get back in every
I can't like you, get back. Like here, we would. Do you understand?
Yeah.
I like you, we were there for you. My boy, I don't know, just a fact.
I put my number to the ego bound.
I'm a book, but I have the thing to what up with that. This guy has the loan, no call, get to the mama.
I correct go me on my message. I correct go me on my message. I correct go me.
I was quite tired. I never supposed I forget for all the can you talking there? Yeah. I forgot to get to look. I will not forget that one to go.
Exactly. I'm not taking the correction. Okay, to correction.
Yeah, see, highest. I'm going to get 100,000 naira. Or 50,000. Okay, what I get about mother. What do you know, Keta? What time, Keta? Like Ninja Club, normal outfit, Keta, they put the Keta in the club. At least $1,000 or $800 can't forget that.
What are you saying? What are you saying? What are you saying?
Yeah, it's
not money.
Please, okay, at least handbag in the Bugatti is almost 2,500.
Exactly.
To start with.
Exactly.
Or can come by 500 no job that they wear in Nigeria.
Amamo, my brother, hit a weekend. Amamo, I don't know.
Only Bobble feeling up to 500 naira. Oh, now when you
Emma, no one you make a noise like a demon.
Oh, appetizing. Oh, I guess someone and the America. I will go back here.
Hey,
I didn't even try to go in America, see America that I'm going
after civilization. After
America, that's Nigeria. Okay, from Ghana, Boulevard to Legora, we are only about 419 go there.
Oh, we didn't have 419 at Paracoria.
Oh, yeah, Palicoria. We say all time marketer. We say, no, we ain't there. Only okay from the chicken envelope, get a table, you don't get back. Chicken envelope, get a table, you don't get back.
I am a million double in do too.
I'm almost South Africa, no, we didn't Indonesia.
We are really reformed. Face you. It been in America for 3 months to manage how much it is.
Ụfọdụ n'ime ha na-esi apata ndị a na-abụ ego ụfọdụ n'ime ndị a
Unu nụrụ ya? Onye obodo lace, onye amụ lace. Did you hear it? So you have been doing this for a while and nobody, people are just not minding their business. When I keep spreading your news, many things will be coming out. Don't worry, yo. As far as Okugi Katoromono, many people will come up with many evidence. Go and mark my words. Even very soon, I get again. It just that is how it works. He believe that all because of your problem. I may believe you gonna tell my problem. So we must find a way to solve you. You want to go? So all these things in me, as far as go, my hair basaraya, it will start to come out. That is in a roof waka for na aroge. All the propagandas, all the lies. Ya wanna make chiri home, ne debunk your lies. Many people can now let's go back to ihe basara voice note basara da the other guy lady unu kpọpụtara. E watago? Achọrọ m ka unu ga voice note. Akushi no we go no who to reconcile the family. Ka unu chọrọ no who ego. Listen, and what is the main cocoa today? Akwa ego. All of una. Onye Obodo, you know this percentage in agba ka ikele muo. This person, I'm need this poor. Ijupo onye nwụrụ anwụ. Please start sending people post through their number. You start OMG show no post the phone number online. Une post the phone number online. Kono happy ewo victim of umo on a child sum pampanation. Onye ọmụrụ no on a chiga na eji anya abụọ na-ele ya. Enwena m experience onye amụrụ no on a cha. So you let she know on the chapota. And this I need to run it just okay. And I'm be very, very careful because these guys, especially all this matter,
All these ones so no channel on it. Onye ọbụla amụtaghị ihe na pikin we grow Onitsha, we grow Aba, you never dey learn. Onitsha is the worst. Get it?
Good morning, hold you very much no fact now. My family for more him my mom they decided to go to the thing on social media because on social media the kids see video where just how many times. And those is some more on. Because you know the teacher. Children cannot log on phone, second on TV on Facebook, but also get an answer to that video on Facebook. Since you know, Metacono, the woman of the week, who one of the Western cake is Ili Ji Buka. Who doesn't maybe that work and make anybody on a team or anybody who doesn't maybe that one cat, every pin share is going to get to go to Buka. Or money will give it because it all has.
Onye Obodo, the Againt. The person who made the video, the purpose of the video is to reach Ebuka, not to raise money. Onye Obodo, listen. I'm listen. The purpose of the video is to reach Ebuka, not to raise money. Okay? Onye Obodo, listen. Can you hear your mission? Onye made video to reach no call lawyer back. Here one of the family member that reach out to them. And the family member, yearly for a message. Here one of the family member they follow her. I mean, family, one of the sons Sunda they follow her. Come ya or couldn't position for Romeo. They reach a lumen and they can that thief, that scammer, that pure bloody scammer. Barely na bambaneti. Konye mene video atiye mahana na this camera, na this video. Konye mene video. Nekenu agbara munu that this amusua na Onye Obodo choose hiji onu ya onye na request o choose hiji sorry acho me kpobata go na epuola this amuso choose hiji aha ya because o ma na ono na ofe na ihe shiwara ya na hege so na eze ti onwe ya eze na ejizi other people na cover up now manipulate is in cool like oh na huge cash out. The purpose of this video we raise ego kam na junu. How many this woman or a life-threatening condition raise ego. The purpose is to reach out to the family, the children many abandoned, right? And reach to Ebuka Obi. No, Onye Obodo, why are you pushing for the payment for the Agame video? Me post because she around me. I have to attach these videos together. Mono na anya Onye Obodo wonyu oshi. Onye Obodo wonyu pure one. Onye Obodo wonyu oshi. Listen.
Many matter I got know my mom be everybody back at the house. Who I dress here? She just didn't on the phone this market on the phone. I call you on to the amount post on Facebook, not mention region. And one kind I'm Jerome who talking. Women came up. I go to have them legend. Monoka if you see the one some man of you see a tag because I didn't see that I don't know if it's
and first of all, Maga gave me the idea to make a video and post on Facebook. That old woman. Oh, idea, Uno. You guys, Uno plan to use this woman to make money. Your mother cannot have such idea. Go okay, make a video, Katie, on Facebook. Maga on Facebook, na viral. Mago, anything that has to do with technology, that technology go viral. Don't deceive. Who are you guys deceiving? We are no longer kids. Our brain are functioning. We are not daft. Don't worry. By Thursday, I'm going to analyze this video to a thorough. To I will thorough on this video. Can magic Jimana that I made video attach to Facebook yaga viral? How old is your mother that your mother will understand what is viral? Oh my goodness. Are people reasoning? Are people being used? Why are you guys like this? Kepe magishi mata yawu video post on my Facebook koga viral. Come on, my people. Come on. Why are we reasoning like a young school? Don't we make who critical thinking in school? Or we got who school? Why are we being emotional? Hello?
Okay, man.
What the must take one?
eziokwu dị na ihe ọgwụ ya ka anyị na-ekwu ihe site ọgwụ eziokwu dị na ya pụtara gị ihe otu ga-agara gị dịka ọ sị na mgbe mmadụ na-atụgharị ilu na ya chọọ iji wee megide nwanne ya ma ọ megide onye ọzọ.
Nobody want can finish the voice. Just no, because.
Okay.
To my family, I wish I did that video. I could have uploaded it online. Prophecy without solution. If they are at the end of the day, direct to them. Now, even Boga for one one, opening all the food that opening all the food I got to direct to my mom. No one will not laugh. She got everybody abandoned. So she block and she joke. I'm not going to phone. This one not calling a phone. Now, what they demand, what I don't didn't not find a phone work. Now, I say, Dios, how much you want to say? So, my mom not cost on a phone. On a public for how many years?
Na course mmage shina ya zuru umu ya na course umu ya kpọrọ na shia. Why would you put this thing online? Your mother na course her because she's desperate to make money. Who desperate to make money when they choose reconciliation? Then when you go online, you get it to course wa ha. Are we reasoning at all? Iboro umu that have refused to pick up your course for how many years? Or months, get with the with online. You start to curse your children again after reaching to them. After reaching out to them, getting down a brain here. Don't worry, by time I will be off. I will sit here. I will open. I'm out to here. Imagine some now, my olulelu. I will open this chapter. Thursday, everybody and when another voice note. Replay on Thursday. I gotta play that one today. All these things are manipulating shit to make money with Ebukobi's name. Put me anywhere. I may proof here with children. That you'll be looking to communicate with them. You start to cause the fuck out of them. Let's continue to hear it.
And I just said, my before giving all the way. Okay. When I'm so far for how many years, Cobra, my memory, my wife, everything. Okay. You do your business, you go. Okay. This less human being. Okay. I have a zero no one. I feel a family as scatter. If you can imagine, share describe what fun there. I feel there is no peace in this family from the first place. If you can fun describe one there, here one no chocolate what at all. Like when you she no. Oh, him and a family give me the problem. Now one of them will fall gory. Now what that mama be the problem? That family be to us away from the gate. Oh God. Oh my goodness. So family be to us and when on your wall fall gory already. And when on your that means something is wrong in that family. That means the family is from day one. Because in one family you got day intact, you bring up on social media. There are many this video. Zion. New member of Zion. Give me a video. Go what the person share because send that will be this video before me post you online. If you wanna before me post you online, something must reach you because be. Oh no, my post my main video. I'm coming on Thursday. And want nobody to few people like us. You want to go? We are aware intellectual people. We listen. I did English in class. I made a research before I pass our courses. We didn't just pass and went with the license or they're not possible. You want to go? You don't even over all this all this you cannot people who that means that the family will good problem who don't be with the beginning of the problem. According to them, you want to go? So people remove sentiments, remove that this woman is an old woman, remove that that thing is not a life-threatening condition. And when the condition you have the more critical than this, I want you to remove sentiments. Whether you believe through Namuma, remove sentiment and judge this thing according to you, how being an intellectual being. Let's continue to listen. In
Anuya, or Bahuru, oh my goodness. Una family is the same Kobe. Family, let me tell you, overnight. Something must go people in this family. Because so many here that children and wisdom. There is no way. Madu get there has been problem in this family. Family has set her from day one. She a sister. Onye nechigina le she no na apata. Ono chori ijanya abia to ogero na mmage. Your mother is not represented as a good woman. Agame fear with full chest. That woman is not a role model. I have to say it. Anyway, Agama pause. And when many damages voice note I'm about to play. Let's listen to this one.
That was the purpose they posted the video online. The situation. One of the posts the online my mom was angry. You see, abandonment. Don't get my mom because one of my baby that one of my 3G where I go by Facebook. Also, more of the time I say, yes, no, you video record to organ. I want more, you know, you pass around there. I'll give a video record of the post to where you go. All to stop go to Macadis to when you same post story online before this matter we're doing now. Or what can now this matter the Gazirona, Gaziafa, everybody was in no sooner had the same way for how many years on over there. It happened me on my phone.
So another Jew same Maya for many years. So that means where could be problems scatter this family. Oh, she sits here years, I don't know, but don't have Jew same Maya. Hey, oh my goodness. Guys, don't worry on Thursday. There are any more. You don't know, but so what could be better there in my hands? So the family is already. When God wants to disgrace you, when God wants to disgrace, okay, disgrace. Guys, let's continue to listen. Okay.
Na person to find this man, na maybe stop and take it at the video because you can make a better to my strike, but I to case me now. The same one to go to me, but him to take it down. I'm not the video down.
Oh, you guys are pushing your mother to use it and make money. Even the environment of the compound, environment of the place, I know that poverty is existing there. I know poverty is existing in that home. You're looking at looking at where you're making the video, looking at how much in Nigeria shirike. Somebody got to feed. And don't look at all this gullible in Omenala, all this rubbish in Omenala, all this in the that judging people out of hate. That they will be the one to feed woman. Because when a reasonable person that will not sit down and analyze what I'm playing will give you. Family a long time ago. Family don't scatter. This is not the family problem. My brother, I'm on Thursday. Everybody should join me here. More voice note, more revealing secrets. Family never in peace. And when the family not at peace, and when the family not at peace,
No one else.
and when the family not at peace at all.
WhatsApp number for you. Just send me hi if I find
a havoc in the family. Oh, she don't tell her graduate say my omen abroad. No, so my sister, I want to go. We know Nigeria is very difficult now. We don't think, but don't use the copy. Don't use an innocent man that did you guys nothing. Because so many what will hit you in future? It's coming. But Chineke mankwala onye ga wujuda sigara Jesus nye n'aka ọnwụ. Mankwala Judas sigara nwa nke mmadụ nye n'aka ọnwụ. Chineke ekwekwala ha ọjọọ. It was an instrument to, and when them questions to ask, now this una plan deal, Onye Obodo, una plan deal, Onye Obodo, they want them questions to ask. Makachi, how can your brother know that a video post where that old woman, Ama Kanri and Ake, that old woman, Ama who with social media, let it go viral. Legoni konu gisha bama na ya plan deal. A woman actually concerned with me, remove that video. I don't know, share ya o make sense. O make sense. My brother Kuoku, very soon I will leave here.
There's no problem. The issue gonna ezoku de na na on a food go small because mgbe anyị na-ekwu yesterday all that same thing ka na-ekwu enwere the fault dị there and now ncha niile due to na everything na-agazi ka esi plan onye ọbụla anọdụgo na hot soup onye ọbụla na voice like a voice a na-ege na the family nwere problem ha nwere problem but their problem abụzi ihe ha ga-eji wee bịa jee kpọta man of God enwere ife o mefa chọọ iwere ya mmadụ iwere cash out ma ihe enweghị because ihe niile a nwere repercussion ihe niile abụmọnụ dị na ya so there are things ọ ga-aba na-eme n'ụwa mmadụ amalụ na after year na-enwere another thing ekwu m ihe a na life yesterday si na o nwere ife na-eme dị and finally Chineke eme na amara the whole truth a na-apụta. I now watch the other video Onye Obodo tiri na nke today one of the sisters na-ekwu okwu the person na-ekwukwakwuo na the prophet na Ebuka Obi abụrụ fake prophet na up to today na ya ka bụ Zion member ka ezi ihe a na-agba alụ ihe niile ọkwa nwa dị
Did interpret I did all time one man ndị dị lucky ana m arụ ọrụ ai chimo
my sister ọ nwekwa ife ntọ o nwere small something ntọ ka a na-correct mgbe ị na-ekwu ife ndị niile nọ Ọnịcha niile abụrụ onye ori. I was born and raised
90% of ndị Ọnịcha wụ ndị Ikiri. I have to be honest with you 90%.
obodo anyị na-ekwu ebe ka ọ nọkwara n'Ọnịcha onye fụ ya n'Ọnịcha
90%. 90.
nyanwa bụkwa na onye Ọnịcha wọf a na-ebute n'Ọnịcha wọf automatically enwego bọnde terminal na-alụ ọrụ n'Ọnịcha close to wọf nwee a lot of bọnde terminal n'Ọnịcha na-alụ ọrụ ndị mmadụ
I'll be the last person to have anything to do with that side.
Chineke a ga-ekwe ihe niile ga na-aga ọfụma dị isi ugbo ebe enwere ajọ mmadụ enwere ezigbo mmadụ mana mmadụ
ndị ajọ mmadụ juru eju n'Ọnịcha like enwere ihe mmadụ ga-agwa me change my perception ebe ha nọ. I know what they're capable of doing.
There's no problem. So na ihe dị ebe na ya bụ na I thank God na this thing na-aga like this and ana m ekenekwa gị based on the information ị na-enye daily on this thing. At least na ije na comment section ọ dị ozi otu ọ ga-abụ onye ọbụla na-akụ ihe baa because the truth na food on daily basis. So
aga m eme ha na you down on Thursday I'm off. Oh yeah, Thursday. Nnọta me ha na good video. You want to go? I think I'm the short one and I'm akwado. All right, my brother, we'll talk later. Thank you so much.
welcome.
All right, guys. I'll see you guys tomorrow. 12 o'clock. Nah, I hope you can piano. All right, guys. See you guys later. Bye for now. I shall allow God of Ebuka to do his own. No, na lie. I won't Peter will sample somebody issue the Bible. We were not gonna allow nothing. I allow Ebuka we to one day more to one day did to one day. I to one no so no woman na demma. I gonna tune woto. I knew Peter. I na sap Ishi, I na saponti. Ejoku. My people him no matter what family scatter, they are bye bye.